Stonehenge strives for high quality and safety in every product. Therefore, each batch undergoes random sampling and comprehensive quality inspection, and we employ experienced professionals to carry out the product inspection process. The equipment developed by our company can simulate real-world grinding operations performed by users. After the sample is installed, the grinding process begins. By freely adjusting and rotating the machine's angle, we can test the actual performance of the product during grinding from different angles. During the process, we also carefully observe the product's safety and wear resistance to ensure that every grinding disc delivered to our customers meets the highest standards of quality and safety. The grinding process concludes at this stage. We first conduct a detailed observation and record the surface of the ground. Object to confirm whether this batch of grinding discs performs well. Then, we record the overall condition of the grinding disc after use. Finally, we record the measurements to ensure they fall within the standard values we have established.